Hello, it's Lisa here from the Spellbound Bead Company. Today I'm just going to show you how to make these really simple earrings. They're quite festive, sort of great for this time of year, I guess, with Christmas parties coming up. So they're really quick and easy to make. All you need, this is the finished one by the way, you just need 5 inches of, well, I've used sterling silver heavy soft flex. Obviously you don't have to use a sterling silver, but if you've got any kind of a tiger tail, you can use coloured tiger tail. This just works particularly well because it is nice and shiny, and it's the heavy one, so it sort of holds its shape a little bit more. Okay, so all I've done, we've got sort of various different star beads, but I guess you could use any type of bead. I just particularly liked it because of thinking of Christmas. So you just thread the bead on, the bigger star bead, twist it around, so I'll put it in the middle at the bottom, I'll twist it around like that, get it central, and then I get one of the other star beads. I've just got a smaller one, I'm going to put this one on, so thread that one on, and sometimes you just have to kind of pull the ends to make sure that you get it in the middle again. Bit of trial and error. If you pull it too tight as well, it sort of doesn't work as well, so give it a little bit of slack there. Okay, and then I push the 2 ends together at the top, and all I'm going to do is just trim them off level, providing my scissors are going to work properly. There we go. And then I've got one of these little crimps. These are actually sterling silver as well, so they're really useful. These are, they've got like the hole at the top already, and I put both of the ends into there. They fit really nicely in there as well, and then I just crimp that down like that. It neatens the ends off really well. You can make them as long or as short as you want, just make sure that you make the pair the same length. Okay, and then I've just got some fish hooks. Put the fish hook on, and there we go. You've got like a really nice pair of earrings.